Hi there. Today, I want to introduce you to a platform that's become one of my go-to resources whenever I need high-quality graphics, stock images, or design elements. It's called Vecteezy. Whether you're a graphic designer, content creator, marketer, or just someone who enjoys making cool visuals, this site might just change the way you work. I remember stumbling across Vecteezy while searching for free vector art for a small design project. At first glance, I thought it was just another stock site, but the moment I explored its features, I realized it was way more than that. It offers a rich collection of graphics from illustrations and icons to templates and even videos. The thing that impressed me right away was the variety. You can find almost any style, flat, 3D, minimalistic, abstract, you name it. The site covers everything from holiday graphics and business icons to abstract backgrounds and scene creators. It's like a massive library tailored to visual creators across different industries. What I love about Vecteezy is that it caters to both free users and premium subscribers. So if you're working with a tight budget, you still get access to tons of free assets. And the best part? Even the free files are really high quality. That's not something you see on every free stock site, but if you're someone who works with design every day, I highly recommend checking out their Pro plan. With a paid subscription, you unlock a much larger selection of graphics, plus access to premium-only resources that tend to be more detailed, modern, and unique. It's honestly a great deal for the price. Navigating the site is also super easy. The search function is fast and intelligent. Just type in a keyword and you'll get relevant results instantly. Plus, they let you filter by file type, orientation, license type, color palette, and more. It saves so much time when you're on a deadline. Now, here's something that makes Vecteezy stand out: its built-in online editor. Imagine finding a graphic you like, then immediately customizing it in your browser without having to download or open Adobe Illustrator. You can change colors, scale elements, move objects, and tweak the text right on the platform. This is perfect for people who don't have advanced design tools or skills but still want to personalize content. It's also a huge time saver for social media managers who need to churn out a lot of branded graphics in a short amount of time. When it comes to licensing, Vecteezy is very transparent. Every resource clearly states its license, whether it's free for commercial use, needs attribution, or is part of the Pro collection. That's such a relief because, let's face it, figuring out usage rights is one of the trickiest parts of using free graphics. They also have their own custom license that covers most use cases, and for Pro users, many files are royalty-free with no attribution required. So if you're creating content for clients or commercial purposes, you won't have to worry about legal headaches. Another great thing is their commitment to quality control. Unlike some sites that are overloaded with low-effort uploads, Vecteezy reviews and approves every submission. That means you're not wasting time sifting through spammy or poor-quality designs. Everything feels curated and professional. The platform supports a wide range of file types, too. You'll often find AI, EPS, SVG, PNG, and JPG formats all available in one download. This flexibility makes it easier to work with files regardless of the software you're using: Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, or even online editors. Speaking of Canva, Vecteezy complements that workflow really well. I often download assets from Vecteezy and import them into Canva for quick edits. It's an efficient combo for anyone working in social media, digital marketing, or even presentations. There's also a solid collection of stock videos and photos. While it may not be as massive as platforms dedicated to video, it's growing fast and the quality is quite good. You'll find drone footage, time lapses, lifestyle shots, and more, all in HD or 4K resolution. One underrated feature is how organized everything is. Categories are easy to browse and they cover a wide spectrum: business, technology, food, fashion, nature, you name it. It's great when you're not quite sure what you need and just want to explore some creative options. Their blog and learning resources are worth mentioning too. They publish tutorials, design trends, and guides that are super helpful for beginners or anyone looking to improve their design skills. It adds real value beyond just being a stock site. If you're a contributor, Vecteezy gives you a nice platform to earn from your designs. Artists can upload their work and earn royalties every time someone downloads their assets. With millions of monthly visitors, that's a pretty great opportunity to gain exposure and income. From a performance standpoint, the site is fast, responsive, and mobile-friendly. I've used it on both desktop and tablet without any hiccups. The downloads are quick, and everything is clearly labeled so you don't get confused about what you're downloading. They even have an integration with Google Workspace now, so you can pull in images directly into your Google Slides or Docs. That's another little feature that shows they're thinking about real-world use cases and making life easier for creators. I should also mention their customer support, which is actually responsive. I once had a licensing question about a graphic I wanted to use in a commercial product, and they replied within a few hours with clear, helpful information. That level of support builds a lot of trust. For agencies or teams, Vecteezy offers multi-user plans where you can manage licenses and collaborate more efficiently. It's perfect for marketing teams, design studios, or startups that need a steady flow of visuals without the chaos of licensing confusion or scattered downloads. I think Vecteezy strikes a rare balance between quantity and quality. The variety is massive, yet most of the content feels curated and relevant. It's not like digging through a bin of random stock images. You actually feel like you're in a modern design marketplace. Their Pro plan is also very affordable compared to other stock services. You can choose between monthly or annual billing, and they often run discounts for new users. It's a good value if you're planning to use the platform frequently. In terms of branding, everything about Vecteezy feels clean and professional. The UI is modern and the previews are generous so you can get a good look before downloading. You can even favorite items and create collections to save for later. It's like Pinterest for designers. The download limits for free users are quite generous, but if you find yourself needing more, Pro removes those restrictions and gives you priority support. That's helpful when you're dealing with large-scale projects and tight deadlines. You can also use Vecteezy assets for printing, brochures, t-shirts, packaging, you name it. Just make sure to check the license for each file, especially if you're distributing printed items commercially. Again, their licensing is easy to understand and clearly explained. One of my favorite things is how often they update the library. There's always something new, seasonal content, trending topics, or freshly uploaded bundles. That freshness keeps things exciting and means you're not stuck using outdated designs. I often use it for social media content, especially for quick turnarounds. Need a post for International Coffee Day or a Black Friday promo? They've got templates, icons, and banners ready to go. That's invaluable when you're trying to stay relevant online. Another great use case is presentations. Vecteezy has a ton of clean illustrations that work really well for pitch decks and reports. It helps make your content visually engaging without having to hire a designer for every single project. If you're building a brand, Vecteezy can help maintain visual consistency. You can download sets of icons or illustrations in a unified style, so everything from your website to your social media feels cohesive. That's a huge plus if you're starting from scratch. You don't even need an account to start downloading free files, which makes it super accessible. But creating an account does unlock extra perks like download history, saved collections, and faster support. And of course, going pro opens up even more benefits. They also have a referral program, so if you love the platform, you can share it with your friends or audience and earn some rewards. It's a nice bonus for content creators or educators who recommend design tools often. At the end of the day, what makes Vecteezy so valuable is its versatility. It's not just for designers, it's for anyone who wants to elevate their visuals without spending hours or a fortune. Whether you're designing a flyer, editing a video, or building a website, Vecteezy has something that can help. Thanks so much for hanging out with me in this video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. And if you're ready to explore Vecteezy for yourself, I've dropped the link below. Go check it out and start creating something amazing today.